Now, the additive, I add in kaolin clay, 3%, 3% of sodium lactate, and 2% citric acid. Now, last time, the last few recipes that I create with the cheap Charlie, okay, I did not calculate the citric acid. So today I'll show you how I'm gonna do my citric acid, okay. Okay, so bloom that up, okay. Now, with citric acid, right, you have to make adjustment for the lye, okay, that we use, because citric acid will consume or eat, use a common language there, or eat some of our lye, okay, consume some of our lye. So we have to make a addition, okay, increase in our lye to account for the citric acid that we use in our recipe. Now, the citric acid that I use is 2%. The oil that I use is 850 gram. Okay, we calculate the oil. Okay, not the whole, not the total amount, just the oil only. Okay, so 850 grams times 2%, and that gave me 14 grams. Okay, now we have to make an adjustment to it. Okay, to calculate the additional citric acid. Link down the description below with to the article of this number here, where I got it from, 0.624, okay, to that article so you can read how I use it. So I got 15 grams times 0.624, okay, and that gave me 10.608, okay, so grams of, okay, so with that, right, I have to make an adjustment to my lye, okay, so the new adjusted price is 10.608 plus 11849, okay, so that's, I look up here, that's our lye, right, okay, so the pink column there, row there, the pink row, that is our lye, okay, so 118, okay, so we got there 118 for our lye, and we have to add in this much of lye, 10 grams roughly. So I did not round up everything, so I add these two numbers together, and it gave me a new lye amount to use, 129. But I round down, okay, so 129 grams is the amount that we use for our lye solution to use 2% of our citric acid. Do you get that? Okay, very simple math, okay. So I'll repeat, okay. So the adjustment we have to make, okay, we use 2% of our citric acid, okay. So we have to time that by our oil with 850 grams, okay. That gave us 15 grams of adjustment to play with. 15 grams times by 0.24. Okay, that is the adjustment we have to make. Okay, that gave us 10.608. The new lye, the additional lye we have to make. Okay, so that's 10.628 is the additional lye we have to add in. So 10.628 plus 118.49 equal to the new amount. 129 grams of new lye amount we have to put in our recipe. Get it? I hope so. Very simple. Very simple.